Goko neko Kikuyu podcast. Boshishi shiraheno kule munanga. Ne shirahete dina munene muno. Ne tona adu ne maritie na atogoria ne maritie. Na bemwe kwa tukaterere. Boshishi ostirahia. Na kuna moshere pia orahia no. Te boshishi no rugire nago. Mukeve mwa boshishi ati no rugire nago huri baro idatu. Egeda bosho ehie. Adu amunanga turei ohoro wa boshishi please ne makanatima stirahia. Boshishi nishete dina muno na mudu uwe tugadolo mo shoba niariti na gadolo mo shoba point area adicate deni wa social media platform yake ne point shina mana muno before you keta gadolo mo shoba heno dudamu idire regime area toineo ulekuwa na dhaishi matume strategy no make them poor to rule them, make them poor to rule them. Dhaishi economy ni joru adu matina besha mehuko yao tikwega so matu waliro idoishi onashia koro tijera because it's arranged stirahia onashia koro stirahia mariwaga ravimo woi makawa na tare worship adwaria marahe idoishi yet idoishi kula gitweka stirahia national rumors iliyashikwa. So the strategy is make them poor to rule them. Wama kanya mukanini o makawo tamara worship. Anaki go yage fake. Dogene do makimira go diko heo iliyoguo. Baishi amauga ohoro wako yana iliyo adu maumira atia. Neke because they have made us poor to rule us and it's like we are now worshiping them. Make them poor to rule them. When you can't complete loads, can't pay doctors, can't pay help, can't pay free primary and secondary education, pay pensioners, can't provide polio and BCG vaccines. It's called Boshoine economics. Give them Bosho watanyamaza. Happy Bosho Friday. Give them Bosho watanyamaza. Happy Bosho Friday. I told you, make them poor to rule them. Bosho ni economy oka mugakira twahona mukabia kuga tutam nyodo wa Bosho. Make them poor to rule them. Na dhanu mo shoba ena point nini. Na hena point deda kola can't provide polio and BCG vaccine. It's so unfortunate as we speak. Atumia lema hetoshiana noma mwire of recent. Kwena tumia orahe omwana. Na nowe wahe omwana difitari rogo kedo kia bere ne BCG vaccines. Ugakolo orahe omwana na difitari kutina BCG vaccine. Of which mwana again uka atena the set of vaccine you know it's not good. Polio nayo deriko. Yet empowerment shiwalita guko mamilioni mabesha nemo maratumiro. Okay? Can't pay pensioners. Adoma kelita aite ala mata tegemera pensions. Matila keleho. Adoma mashoba yogete. Can't pay free primary and secondary education. As we speak, besha yakule haigeranio. They were hiked. Yet woko no adokurura. Makiuga empowerment. Mamilioni mabesha magitumiro. Can't pay help. As we speak, aluto ige a university ne matiyete shukuru. Aigiao neko difa maradifa. Neki matake na bia. Utake na bia shia kulia. Can't pay doctors. Madaitari maitu. Kwena dhena. Can't complete roads. Yatiriri. Let's be honest with each other. And let's be realistic. Campaign da ishinisha bereidie. Na campaign sha bereidie. It's often unfortunate that negwana ate utiro duweki kete. Odo munene. Hena kaudu dona na kaudu gaka neko tofauti mono. Davi korea mwena wa Githumo. Kore kumana kiri omuthe. Kore mutongore buri eguthite muthe Homa Bay. Aviria a launch market ya kindu gigwitwo kiria thamaki mutongoria bũrũri kuria Homa Bay mwena wa Nyanza Western donire kura one mwe athire a launch kiria market ya thamaki ni akitwo wega muno ni tuona yet kuria oniro kura kana kuria onire kura thĩinĩ wa Central Kenya kana kuria twathuria mutongoria bũrũri na kuria iria nyingi muno mwena kana mwena wa Mount Kenya region mau farafara nirako ido yetu ile shiko yet we didn't vote for we voted for him na only kura nyingi muno percentage nene muno kuma Mount Kenya. In fact Mount Kenya made him kinara wa nchi. Wana bisho ya Raila na Ruto kuria thaishi aya makilonch ido cia bata muno kuria Nyanza goko Mount Kenya andu mararehirwo mboco mucere. Is that okay really, ladies and gentlemen? Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. Let's be realistic. That's how things are. And we have to speak the way things are. Korea ni maendeleo maatwarwo Korea no Mount Kenya. Yeah. Anyway, how na homo kiugatia. Empowerment ni cia huthia besha nyingi muno. Niki matangitwa besha icio. We kama undu ta guthondeka farafara na kiria kingi. Twagiro kuona farafara cigithondekwo thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya. We need to see serious things. We are 2 years to election. Rama ke omba bosho na mushere. Era convince kana dura mundu fulani. Mekuko maheto makoni ya maigana. Ehi we no heane kure yaku. Ni undu wa ido imwe. Ehi no uthie uthura atongoria aya matafatie. Ni undu hihi wagorogoro ya bebe bosho kinaki. Then if at all ne to make a mistake ni undu wa irio cienda menya itikwega, because we ourselves thirikari yagirwo ku make sure Akenya matirahoya na Akenya ni majitegemera. Give them fertilizers. Na agikwa fertilizer ni gukirikana yake na mahigai. Then ndumeko kutaniki. Guys, it is what it is. Huku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Thank you kwa matina marathime.